how to create Amazon AWS proxies with createproxy.com. It is very fast, it is very easy. Everybody can do it. Just Google for Amazon free tier and you will find that you can get 750 hours of usage, T2 micro or T3 micro, and you can spend these 750 hours of usage in 12 months. So let's start. Just create an account, and once you have an account, then you will see something like I do right now. In Amazon AWS, you will need to click on your username and then click on My Security Credentials. Select ACSK and click on Create New ACSK and then Show ACSK. Okay, this is all what you will need. So go back to Create Proxy, click on Amazon AWS and select Add Account. Before you insert your AWS ACSK and secret key, just click on this link and click to continue to subscribe, and you will see here a button that you agree with terms and condition, and that's it. Just click on this button and close AWS Marketplace. Once you have that, just insert the name of this account. Now insert AWS ACSK ID. These can be found here. Oh, sorry, like this. And then AWS secret ACSK. You can insert allowed IPs. So these IPs may use your proxies without login credentials. If you need more, just separate them by comma and click on Add Amazon AWS Account. Now you can select AWS account that you have created. You can create more AWS account in Create Proxy and select the data center location where you want to create your proxies. As you see, you can select from many locations. I want to select EU, Central, select zone, and select instance. I want to select T2 micro, since T2 micro is in AWS free tier, as you can see. And service. I'm recommending you to use the latest service. And how many instances you want to create. So let's say I want to create 5 instances, and then click on Create AWS Proxies. Okay, we should receive our proxies in our proxy list in a few minutes. Okay, and as you see, we have several proxies here, but why you see 20 entries while you have just created 5? The reason is that for each IP address, as you see, this is different IP address than this IP address. Create Proxy create you different login methods, login by username and password, or login by IP, and different types of the proxies. So this is HTTP proxy, and this is SOCKS 5 proxy. Even if you see your proxies for Amazon in your list, they may still not work. You should wait another 2-3 minutes before they will start working. So let's try these proxies. I will try just HTTP proxies. So I use this tool. I will try just HTTP proxies with login. So as you see, all these proxies are working. We can try these proxies in browser. Let's say we want to try SOCKS 5 proxy. So just click on the button. This will copy proxy credentials. So it doesn't look it's working. We'll just check the configuration. Should work. Yeah, it's working now. So the country of this proxy is Germany. And You may download the proxies by security or by a type in a text file. Once you don't need the proxy, then you just click on trash button. So Create Proxy will delete this proxy and instance in your AWS account. You may also need to generate different credentials for this for your proxies in a proxy list. For this, there is a feature called Auth Management. So you can click on Auth Management. You can create a new category if you don't have any. Once you have a category, you can click on Add Cloud Credentials and select your AWS profile account. Select the proxy type for what you want to create credentials. So if you want to create credentials for HTTP, then just select HTTP. As you see, you have other options here. You can create FTP, IPv4, or POP3 proxy. Select select one of your proxies that are still active, and you can set automatic expiration. So if you want this proxy to expire in 1 day, just select 24. You can select security for this proxy. You can secure this proxy by IP addresses. So you can select more IP addresses that can use this proxy without login and password, without username and password. Or you can select out by login. So you can insert username and password for this proxy. And then once you are done, just click save. So this will create you new credentials that can be used to access this proxy. As you see, this proxy will expire in 23 hours 59 minutes from now. After this proxy will expire, this icon will be red and this proxy cannot be used anymore. It takes 1 to 2 minutes before your auth management credentials will start working. So as you see, it's working now. Once you don't need your open credentials, just delete them, or you can disable them, so they will stop working. If you delete them, they will stop working as well. And you can also remove all the proxies with account list. There is a function to remove all the proxies for your profile. I will just remove these proxies one by one. And that's it. Check out my next video about the automatization because it is now possible to automatically create servers and remove servers by a time interval that you set. So then you can use the proxies with routers. I will create another video about the routers. Routers are used to create proxy networks. So you may create one proxy that will redirect traffic to your proxies from different accounts. And I have another video about the marketplace, so you can see how you can start selling your Amazon AWS proxies on marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.